Hello friend, if you regularly use VPN daily on your computer, this video will be useful for you. In this video, I will show you a trick that automatically establishes a VPN connection every time you turn on your computer. First, let's create a simple text file like this using Notepad. You will edit the information appropriate for your VPN connection, including connection name, username, and password. After editing, save the text file with the extension bat. Let's check if it works. As you can see, the VPN connection has been established. I will try again for you. But how can every time the computer is turned on, it will automatically establish a connection? To do so, open a run window and then type shell, start up. You just need to drag and drop the bat file you just created here. That's it, thanks for watching.